What's going on YouTube? This is Tom and my son Bubba, and today we're doing a product review on the Delta In2ition dual head shower set. Now, coming over here, I want to show you the top part. This is the actual shower head, and it's the reason why I say it's dual head is because you have the big round part, and you can also pull out the middle part. So go ahead and pull it out. There you go, just like that. And then just set it in. You have your different shower mode switches over here. This is for the small shower head, and you also have a switch over here to control the big shower head. Alright, just go ahead and turn the water on. Okay. Okay, good water pressure. Okay, so that looks like that's regular mode, and that's coming out the small shower nozzle. And you have your different modes. It's jet mode. Okay, now activate the big one. Okay, now when you activate the big one, that shuts off the middle one, but if you want to keep the middle one on, you can keep the middle one on and still go through the different shower settings. Okay. Alright, so that's that.
That's all there is, isn't it?
Yeah. Pretty much it. So that replaces the old shower. So like I said, that is the Delta In2ition set. It's a 3-piece. Actually, it's a 4-piece. Comes with the dual shower head. You got your water valve, and then you've got your spout on the bottom. So that's pretty much it. So like I said, installation took about what? Maybe a half hour. Make sure you shut off your water before switching out your shower set. But that's it. Have a nice day and shower on.